You guys might have heard about AdventureWorks database. It is the most popular database provided by Microsoft, right? So today we are going to install another database that is we have worldwide importer. Okay, so this worldwide importer you can download it from by going to this link. It will land up into this page. It will open this page. This is the GitHub repo. Okay, from here you can download the backup files, okay, as per the needed. So we will download this backup file, which is a full sample database for OLAP. So let's click on it. I'll provide the link for this GitHub repo and also this Microsoft documentation in the description. So do check out the description. Here you can download other backup as well based on your wish, but I have downloaded this full version. Okay, and here the installation steps are mentioned. How do you install it? The backup file onto your SQL Server. So we'll follow these installation and we'll install it. So my backup file got downloaded. It is of 47.7 MB. So let's open your Microsoft SQL Server Studio. Okay, and here you need to right click on the databases followed by restore database, and here you need to select the device, then just uh, click on it and click on this add button. Here inside C program files, Microsoft SQL Server is there, and here 16 SQL Server 03, which is this one, the last one. So let me go inside it, click on it, and in the backup, don't have permission, just click on continue. Okay, so as you can see, this folder is empty. So we will copy the downloaded one, okay, which we downloaded from GitHub repo. Let's go there and cut it and paste it in the backup folder. Okay, so we have pasted. Now again go to your SQL Server where you was locating it. Now click on this refresh button. Now see, you can see the backup file is appearing over here. So just select it and click on this OK. Cool. Again click on this OK button, right? And the destination would be your database name will be worldwide importer data warehouse. It will be named as like this. So currently if you see, we have one database. We have created this database as sample. So now your new database name will be like worldwide importer DW. If you want, you can change it. Um, then nothing else. Just click on this. Okay. It will take some time. So database restored successfully, and now you can see it over here. So just expand it, go to tables. Let's see how many tables are there. So as you can see, there are schema. One is dimension schema. Under dimension, we have CT customer date tables are there. One fact schema is there. One integration schema is there. So total three schema we have, and inside each schema we have several tables, right? So this is how you can import any backup files in SQL Server. Now based on that, we will create our project, Azure D project. If you want, you can connect with me how I will create a project on TopMate. You can connect with me. You can go here, okay, on TopMate, and you can connect with me for projects which you can showcase to your interviewer. You can book this session, interview preparation, and I'll guide you for this architecture. I'll not only this architecture, I'm preparing other architecture as well, which will be a kind of real life, real world project which we are generally doing in our organizations, so which can help you. Not a simple project. I have planned to include everything, a CI/CD approach, incremental load. So everything I'll include it, whatever we are doing on day-to-day basis in real uh, life. So those kind of project I'll explain you. So if you want, you can connect with me on TopMed.